up a Urus in the wild.
That color is sick.
The color is sick, but you can't tell from back here. It looks black. Damn, dude. That's a pretty sweet Audi Q8 right there. Vamos! Is that Asian, dude? Damn, dude, the color. I've only ever seen them in gray and gray.
Yeah, I know that I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
So what are you doing today, Richard?
Turbo muffler delete.
And?
The inlet pipe elbow.
Let me see them. Where they at, though?
Oh, yeah, right here, man. Come to it. Come to it.
You're showing other secrets.
Secrets!
Ryan's Secrets. That's his name, right? Ryan's Secrets?
Yeah, something
I thought so.
Alright, so we got the CTS.
Jesus, where are you going with your hand? You're like, I don't know what to do with my hands. I don't know what to do with my hands. Richard doesn't know what to do with his hands.
Alright.
I just want to go fast.
Yeah, that's why we adding these. Alright, so, and this
40 seconds later, you're trying to tell me what goddamn CTS turbo inlet fucking pipe.
You know what I mean. And
that's a bit fancy.
This is nice. Very nice. So this is 034's turbo muffler delete. I got these little taps in there for I don't know, special shit if you have it in your car.
Yeah, some scientific shit.
Yeah. But,
so what else? Hey, if you don't stop doing that shit in the video, boy,
I know, right?
I'm gonna fucking put an oink counter at the bottom with a little pig. And every time you do it, I'm gonna put a pig emoji, pig emoji, pig emoji. That shit's gonna fill up the whole bottom of the damn. Denise is like, "Why are you snorting like that?" I'm like, "That is not me."
I added those sound effects.
So Richard pulled the intake and the battery, and then we'll get to that. So what Richard's doing right now is what we like to call
ass backwards.
Ass backwards, because he didn't wait for the director to come, which is Richard. So now we're not going to get a before sound, so I'm making him put the battery back in so we can get a before turbo sound with the muffler in it, just for you guys. Yeah, all right.
Man, it's just for you guys, right? God damn it.
Not my fault you work out of order, sir. You didn't even get a before clip. Could have picked up the camera.
Trying to.
Could have done it with your fucking Android. And we get that potato film. Jesus. He ain't got no battery juice left now. Send it, Poppy. Oh, that's not fair because we don't have anything hooked up, so it's like we can still hear the difference. Go ahead.
Wow.
Nothing. We're just getting noise from this and that, so it's like, fuck it. It was stupid. We shouldn't have done it.
Why?
Because it was a waste of time. Oh my God.
Mr. Rogers?
Smells like gas in here.
Nicolas.
Do I cough drop?
No. So this was producing sound, Richard?
The secondary?
This was producing sound and the turbo, so it was like, it just sounded like shit for real. All right, we'll check back in when he's got the battery back out. So we're gonna pull this T30 out right here, Richard. And you gotta take this clamp off right here, Richard. And we're definitely not gonna put that back the same way, because that's some bullshit right there. We know where that's at. Okay, it doesn't come out. And it's not gonna do anything until you loosen this side now. You know what I mean?
Wow, why would they even fucking put that in there like that?
B. That's what I was saying. Alright, we're gonna check back in when we get to that 7 off. So Richard got the thingamajigger off here, the hose coupler, and now we're gonna pull this stock turbo muffler off. And those are some sort of torque Allen keys. I think they're like a 5. So let's try that. We'll check back in. There's no room to film down there, so we'll just check back in. Action! I'm my own director today. Oh!
Finally, out of all the ones you did in the past.
Don't you fucking sass me. Here, show that with your other one. I'm gonna pull this ring out before we drop it. Oh, actually, I'm gonna leave that shit chilling right there. Because it's still stuck in there. Normally it doesn't stay.
Alright.
You brought that cigarette smoke in with you, boy. Boy.
Voila. No.
Voila. Let me see this other one. What's this?
That's for that.
What's this for? Are you going to show it with that one?
Oh.
Get whooped. Oh man, you're gonna get me copywritten, boy.
Hold on.
For that music.
Alright, guys.
Show them where like the noise recirculates.
Right there. And this one don't got it.
Hey Richard, I'm dead serious though. With the snorting, I'm gonna put a little piggy counter in. Every time you snort, it's gonna count. I'm going to. He's wearing me the fuck out in that one video. It's so loud.
You should collect.
Action!
Good thing you said that because I was about to say some silly stuff. Get out of here. Pull that pipe back, sir. Did I lose any gaskets? We still got them. We still got them. Is that right? 034 is up?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see.
That was it.
Bolt me, sir. Better than screw me, right? Uh-oh.
Nut shot.
Dude, I would throw up probably.
Into the fucking turbo muffler.
Alright, we'll check back in with you guys.
Get that bolt, Eddie.
Oh, it's already in. I just gotta tighten it. Snug it up.
That's the problem.
Not where we're going.
I didn't use the third bolt.
I'm getting a belt engine. I'll finish painting it off. And when I want to use it, we just swap it out.
ASMR.
Any day now.
ASMR. Alright, so the turbo muffler delete is on. And we are going to pull the inlet elbow off. It's a T30 up here. This is where I drop stuff, by the way. Or crack a windshield.
You want to get the magnet?
No, I was just being a funny guy. You know, real funny.
Oh, you is a funny guy.
Yeah, you's a funny guy. Funny fucking guy. Alright, you're about to have to get on this, Richard.
You're going to lose your patience?
No, I'll probably just break it first. To be quite honest with you. Hey, I don't think you snorted it all that time.
I don't think I recorded.
Boy, you fucking fired!
Alright.
So we had a cameraman malfunction. Not a camera malfunction.
Maybe.
A cameraman.
I think I stopped it and then pressed record again.
Yeah, probably. You fucking guy. So we pulled this T30 out and popped this elbow out. You have to rotate down and pull out. And then we got to get this breather pipe off. And then we'll start swapping out the other one.
Alright. I see you.
Oh, you see what I see.
Alright. Got that bad boy out.
Fuck this one. What's the difference? Visor?
Oh, look at that.
I don't know what we're looking at. Oh, I see. If you look this way, it's more obvious. Nah, I mean, did it come with the gasket?
Nah.
Or we just reuse it?
I mean, the car only has 8,000 miles, you know?
Just the glass coat on.
Shut up.
Okay.
Street crazy. I'm a old bastard. Alrighty then.
Now be easy on her, huh?
Ain't my shit, dude.
I mean,
It's the magic of post. I think he died.
you heard that snot.
Yeah. At least it wasn't snorting this time.
Alright.
Did you get it?
It's in there.
And they're like swimwear though?
Yeah, it is, man.
Alright, let's put the second bolt in if it's in there for real. Hold this out of the way. That'll be better.
Hold on. You got it.
Oh, I broke it.
You probably did. No, in your ass.
Fucking science, dude. I'm telling you what. I tell you what, boy. Ooh.
Ooh, that no feet.
Ta-da! Yeah, dun, 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 dun. All right, guys. When we get it all buttoned up, I guess I'll film me instead of the back of Richard's head. So, okay, real quick. Hold this, Richard. I want to address something real fast. I've been asked why I put my hat on backwards and spin it, right? Okay, observe. My hair is down on my forehead. I don't really like that. So if I put my hat on backwards, my hair. So I've been asked why I put my hat on forward and spin it around to the back. So if you look, my hair is touching my forehead. I don't like that. So if I put my hat on backwards, it's still touching my forehead unless I like fucking take my nasty hands and be like this and then put my hat on. I don't want to do all that. So what I do is I put my hat, this hat is a little too loose to do the trick, but when I put my hat on like this and then spin it around, it parts my hair over my forehead.
Bro. Ole. Alright.
Okay, so wait. So, after this hair thing has been explained, we're gonna put the battery back in, the air box back on, and we'll take it for a test drive and see how it sounds. Sound how it sounds. Let's see if we hear any noise difference from earlier. There's definitely like more turbo flutter. Do it again. That sounds pretty tight. That means I gotta still keep this video rolling, boy. Gang gang. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop, 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 chop. Alright, so we'll do a in-car pull and see if how it sounds. We don't have a before pull, but fuck it. You should know what stock sounds like. Or feels like. I don't think it has any power though. But alright, we'll check in when we are in the car doing a pull, which will be the next day. See ya. So we are doing the test drive after doing the turbo muffler delete and the inlet pipe. Got any room to make a little bit of noise right here? Damn, I feel like your exhaust is too loud for us to hear the turbo.
Yeah, shit.
Nope, all you hear is obviously, yeah. Well, we were gonna review those and hear how it sounds and sounds how it sounds and see how it sounds in a seesaw with a seesaw and a seesaw
with the sound.
and the sound with the sound. But can't hear anything because of his exhaust. But do you feel any difference in it?
The auto response feels a little not like oh shit, a big difference, but
noticeable.
Yeah, it's noticeable.
Would you recommend people getting that?
Yeah. Because, you know, it's the reason why I put it on the car, you know?
Yeah, but it could have been a waste of money.
Yeah, true, you're right.
We've done shit
feel
before that we were like, what the hell?
I feel like the air filter just kind of added on to all those parts.
Yeah. Probably definitely helped with throttle response
Yeah.
with the air filter. But I guess that's going to be it. Is there any way you can like whoosh it without getting to that RPM that opens up the valves?
Like rev it.
Like a... Well, you can hear it a little bit. You mainly hear this rattling piece of shit. Alright guys, it's going to be a wrap for that one. Catch you next time. Whoosh.